Happiness Index Matters More Than Your Monetary Income by Sharath Vishwanath K. You may have seen some people who will be always focusing on the monetary benefits. They behave as if their goal is to earn money, and they focus only on the ways of earning money, forgetting their family, friends, and their own health. During conversation with them, they always mention about the profit what they gain from so and so project or so and so work. If you focus on their lifestyle, their life is full with stress, frustrations, anger, depression, and so on. We hardly see such people sitting with friends, chit-chatting, cracking the jokes, and enjoying the moments of the life. Even they never prefer to go out with family for a dinner or a picnic. They never spend single family moment throughout their life. Life is not all about earning money, but life is about how happy you are with the earnings whatever you have, with the people whoever with you. Satisfaction in monetary earning is a huge task. It's a huge challenge for a person. Since human beings are greedy, generally speaking, they will always wish to earn more than what their friends have done, more than what their neighbors or relatives have done. If we keep on focusing on the earnings of someone, if we keep on comparing our lives or our earnings or our profits with someone, then we will never be satisfied with our own earnings. Then we will never be satisfied with our own life. So what we should learn is, we should learn being satisfied with whatever we have, with whatever we earned, with whomever are with us. Many times we wonder by seeing the beggar sitting on the streets begging for rupees, 1 rupee, 2 rupees. So if someone gives them 2 rupee or 5 rupees, they will become very happy by those 5 rupees. That 5 rupee earnings by them is very negligible comparing to your earnings. But the happiness what they get with that 5 rupees is much more than the happiness what you are getting with the lakhs. What matters here is the happiness or satisfaction. People who satisfy with less, they will be very happy. And the people who don't have satisfaction earning anything in their life, they will never be happy. Generally, rich people never enjoy their life compared to poor people. We have seen poor people enjoying each and every bit of their life. Laughter, sharing, caring with whatever they have. When a beggar gets single bread or roti, he will be very much happy and satisfied. But when the rich people get so many delicious food from so many famous hotels, then also they want to enjoy those food. They won't be happy, they won't be satisfied, because they don't know, they have never learned enjoying the things in bits. People should learn enjoying the things. People should learn getting satisfied with small bits. Satisfaction brings you the happiness. Happiness lies in satisfaction. You all have heard about the nation Bhutan, our neighboring nation. They never bother about their GDP. What they always bother is how happy their people are. They measure the development of the nation by happiness index, not by the GDP. They focus on happiness. They focus on satisfaction, not on the monetary earning or income. So we should learn many things from this tiny neighboring nation, Bhutan. At least we should learn how to be happy rather than being greedy. So, happiness index matters more than your monetary income. Thank you, everyone.